Hello students, today we are going to deal with the advertisements. So very first we must know what an advertisement is. An advertisement is a public announcement made through a popular medium like newspaper, magazines, television, radio or cinema. Through advertisement one can show the advantages benefits of its products or services and reach the customers or clients. This is an age of advertisement and no industry can prosper without an advertisement in a press or television or internet. आज हम लोग एडवर्टीजमेंट के बारे में जानेंगे. आज का एज एडवर्टीजमेंट का एज है और कोई भी इंडस्ट्री बगैर एडवर्टीजमेंट के वो प्रॉस्पर नहीं कर सकती या ग्रो नहीं कर सकती. बट बिफोर गोइंग अहेड, इफ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट so that you can get the notifications in right time. So please like the video and subscribe the channel. And now we move ahead. Two types of advertisements are there: classified advertisement and commercial advertisement. Classified advertisements are printed in various heads in newspapers and magazines. These are categorized in different columns and take less space and cost. दो तरह के एडवर्टीजमेंट्स होते हैं, क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टीजमेंट और कमर्शियल एडवर्टीजमेंट. यहाँ पे हम लोग क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टीजमेंट की बात करेंगे. ये जो है वो वेरियस हेड्स में न्यूज़पेपर्स और मैगजीन्स में छपते हैं और इनकी श्रेणियाँ बनाई जाती हैं डिफरेंट कॉलम्स में. ये कम स्पेस और कम कास्ट लेते हैं, तब कम पैसे में छप जाते हैं. नाउ वी विल नो द मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टीजमेंट्स. फर्स्ट, कैटेगराइज्ड इन डिफरेंट कॉलम्स अकॉर्डिंग टू डिफरेंट क्लासेस. द कैटेगरी इज स्टेटेड एट द टॉप लाइक lost / found, to let, situation vacant / wanted, etc. Second characteristic is written in short catchy phrases / words. And third characteristic is short, concise and to the point. Fourth characteristic of classified advertisement is this, that language used is simple, factual and formal. And next, these are comprehensive yet include all important points. ये शॉर्ट होते हैं, कॉम्प्रहेंसिव होते हैं, फिर भी इसमें सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स दिए गए होते हैं. कॉन्टैक्ट नेम एंड एड्रेस इज गिवन इन क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टीजमेंट्स. एंड लास्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज रिटन इन ए बॉक्स टू अट्रैक्ट अटेंशन. इनको लिखने के बाद एक बॉक्स में कर दिया जाता है जिससे कि पब्लिक का अटेंशन उसको मिले. So many types of classified advertisements you must have seen in newspapers, like first, situation vacant / wanted. Second, sale / purchase of property / vehicles / household things. Third type is to let. To let means किराए पर, खाली. Fourth, missing person / pet animals. Fifth, lost and found. Sixth, educational institution. Seventh, travels and tours. Eighth, business proposals. And ninth, matrimonials, etc. So many other heads are also available in advertisement. Now we will read about the situation vacant / wanted and go for some examples so that you can learn easily. Thank you. Now we take situation vacant / wanted. Some guidelines are there. Begin with wanted / required. State the name of the company. Mention the post and number of vacancies. state minimum qualification and experience desired, give age, sex and preferential qualifications, mention pay scale and perks, state the mode of applying clearly, end with contact address and phone numbers. Now a question is here, Principal Sunrise School Agra requires a receptionist for her school. Draft a suitable advertisement in about 50 words to be published in the classified column of a national newspaper, giving all the necessary details of qualifications and experience required in the receptionist. So we have designed an advertisement here for this situation vacant. It is written at the top, underlined, and we have written, wanted a female receptionist with sound knowledge of computers at Sunrise Global School, Agra. Applicant should be around 26 years of age, graduate, minimum 5 years of working experience, and will conversant with the best practices of schools, apply with full particulars and the emoluments expected within a week to Principal Sunrise Global School, Agra 65, phone number 040-234-56X. So here pay scale and perks means what will be the pay scale and what will be the other benefits. Mode of applying means by which mode you are going to apply, by online or through the post. So we have told here all the things. In question it is written that apply in a week, we giving all the necessary details. It means it is to be applied by the post. So this advertisement has been designed here. Clear? Thank you. We find a common trend for situation vacant column. Like we can write wanted A. So what person is wanted? Write the name here with a sound knowledge of what type of knowledge he seek, at the name of the company where the vacancy is. Applicant should be of what age, you will write there, and how many years working experience you need, you write here. Apply with full particulars and salary expected within the time period to the name of the company, full address and phone number. So thank you very much.